Good morning, everybody. Monday, it is 5:30 in the morning, Monday, December 18th, and we're slow. We're gapping up. We're up about 13 points right now. But again, being a Monday, being how we have been in this massively compressed range, and we are up into the upper deck, upper row, nosebleed section. Take it with a grain of salt, but you are going into a 10-point gap up where looking at a 2-day over the weekend as well range. The 5-day moving average is now moved up almost to the lows on Friday on the ES. You have the potential to go up there to around 4740. Anything up and above 4740 on the SPX, not on the ES, I would consider a very dangerous area to be in today. So 4740 you have to the upside, SPX 4705 on your downside. Just so that nobody is confused, I will put the SPX chart up here over the last 2 days. And you can see here 4705 being your Friday low, 4740, 4738 being your high from Thursday. NQ. Same thing. Here is your Thursday, Friday, over the weekend view as we're going into the Monday morning open. 5-day moving average has moved up now to 16,767.50, which worked very well for the bottom over there on Friday. Potential, again, NQQQ, absolutely potential that you can get up there to 408. Potential that you can get down to 400. So again, on the NQ chart, QQQ, pull it up so that nobody is confused when we're talking about NQ. Here is your 404, 403, your unfilled gap from Friday. Here is your 402, and up above you, fractionally, is your all-time high. Oh, we got to go a little bit higher than that. So there you go. You have 408 on the upside, 402 on the downside as your warning. We are here right now, right around 405. 406.54 is the highs as of now. Remember, barely got 3 points there on Friday. Oh, you didn't have this ready and you've got to scroll it around. Barely had a 3-point range there on Friday. Prior to Friday, had been trading greater than 4 points every day, greater than 5 points on Wednesday and Thursday. Over on to the Dow. The Dow pushing up higher as we are going into the Friday highs right here, right now, overnight. So Dow 37.4, call it 37,500 is going to be your bottom. Even though your bottom is 37,530 over there from Friday, you're not going to be breaking down below that. I don't know too many people that are trading the Dow, but obviously with it being in control right now, wouldn't expect anything significant. And over here on the RTY, 2045.30, the highs on Friday. 5-day moving average is now moved up to 1982. Just trending right here where we are. And again, so no one is confused on the IWM, same time period, Thursday, Friday, and the over the weekend where we are. You have your 198.75, and actually you've got a little bit to the upside there. I won't deny you that. 201.90 on the upside, and here is your unfilled gap going back to quite a few days ago, which we dipped down to right around 196. So let me adjust this. 196. Yeah, pretty good. So, yeah, you've got 198.75 on your upside. 196 gets you into the gap that fills right around 193. Would not hold my breath. Your potential is for 201.90 to the upside. So, don't go hurting yourselves. You have a major year about to begin. You have an incredibly low VIX. And as long as the VIX is playing tiddlywinks, zoom you out here a little bit more, 15 days, 30 minutes, so we can see a bigger, broader view. And as long as you are playing tiddlywinks, 1189, 1255, 1189, 1255, 1189, 1255, you're better off shampooing your carpet. A break above 1339, and maybe you might want to set an alarm clock that the market is finally making some kind of movement. But as of right now, this is the progress that you're making, which is 1189, 1255, 1189, 1255. And you have a gap over the weekend, which fills down around 1232, which is only a 30-point drop, but a 30-cent drop. A 0.30 drop on the VIX is good enough for 5 points on the SPX. So have a great Monday morning. Don't overcommit yourself on the short term. And if you are going to be trading, you are much better off taking those bigger reward, lower risk payouts and positioning yourself accordingly when they do. Again, Dunson broil, playing roulette. This is 100% not trading what's going on right now. Right now, it is all crunching numbers and betting odds versus odds. So have a great morning. See you guys in the chat room. And tomorrow will be at least a little bit more interesting since Tuesdays and Wednesdays have been a lot more active than Mondays. Have a great morning.